Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 3rd of September 2020 and time is 9:21 am. So let us come on to our stocks. So traders, the stocks in our today's watch list are Adani Ports, Intraday, here is Grasim and UPL, and also I will be watching BANKNIFTY futures chart. So traders, when I'll get any opportunity to trade in any of these stock, I'll update you. So traders, I'm seeing an buying opportunity here in Grasim, so I will place order at market price. Let's wait. Okay traders, so our order has been placed at price here. This is there. Okay, now our stop loss will be below 786 retracement. So let's see what happens. Traders, it is coming downwards, but we will wait, no problem. Let us place our target and stop loss. This is our predefined target and this is our stop loss. So let us lock it and place our stop loss and target. It is taking some time to get load, but okay, let it be. Let us not place a limit. We will exit the order at market price when it will come near our stop loss or our target. So traders, let us wait. Here it is showing the price is going against our trade, but let's hope for our good trade. So traders, now I'm pausing the video and I'll update you when it will gain some momentum towards our trade. So traders, it is coming towards our price, so let us place our target and stop loss. So our target is 697.15 and our stop loss will be 682.40. Okay, so let us modify it. Just let me tell you that I have taken 2000 in quantity because there was stop loss of 5 rupees. So I have placed order with 2000 quantity with my risk appetite, which is risk management, which is a part of risk management, and it is taking some time to place this order. So let us move it, this dialog box here. You can see traders here, it gain a good momentum. So let us wait for our target, and trader, when it will hit any target or stop loss, I'll update you. So traders, you can see our target was hit. Now let me tell you the trading setup behind our today's trade. So as you can see here, first I made a trend line here, After this, I made a Fibonacci retracement, and the support price was a retracement of near 0 point, or it was 50% retracement. So it after that it also gave a breakout of this trend line, and after that there was requirement of retracement. So there came a retracement of the breakout of trend line, and then after I placed the order, and rest after that that our target got hit and we made a profit. Now let's calculate our today's profit. So our target point was 9.60, and our quantities which we placed were 2000. So our today's profit, oh my god, it's 19,200, but it's not real, it's just a virtual profit because we are doing paper trading, but it's a good profit. So traders, this was our today's trade. Hope you enjoyed and gained some knowledge from my this video. So have a good day.